I fell at home at night. I felt my sugar was going low. I could feel I'm getting worse and worse, getting weaker and weaker. Just told my wife, phone the ambulance. So he took me to ICU. I can't remember after that. My name is Henry Mntungwa. I'm a patient at Life Hilton Hospital. I stayed in hospital for 5 months. Now the dialysis was feeling much better now every time I'm coming to dialysis. But I couldn't walk. So I remember one day Dr. Kalis came to me, he says to me, "You're feeling much better, but I'm still not happy. I said to you, you must walk." I said, "Doctor, your challenge is accepted, don't worry." He's forcing me to do things myself. And me too, I'm dedicated, I want to live. I want to impress Dr. Kalis now. It's interesting, I can see my life is going back to normal now. I said to him, "I've got a bike at home, but I tried to cycle at home, but I'm not much on it." He says to me, "Listen here, Henry, you must cycle every day if it's possible. Even if it's 10 minutes or 50 minutes, do that. It will help you to make yourself better, mentally, physically too as well. Do it." Then he says to me, "You know what? I've got an idea here." I said, "What idea?" He said, "We put a bike next to the machine, you cycle." I said, "Okay." We went, we put a bike, he connected me, we cycle. Every time when I'm coming for dialysis, I cycle. Even now, when I go there, I will cycle again. So I want to say thank you very much to all the team, to everyone, to the Kalis, to the team leader, to all the nurses, to renal unit, to all the other supports. I want to stay with this family because I could see the love and the support I'm getting from them. That's my story.